Hi everyone. So in this video I'm doing an intro to my playlist. Now my playlist is called Relaxation and Meditation, where every week I will be going to different locations around where I live, and I will be recording sounds of nature to help those people that want to meditate or just relax, or maybe even help sleep. In these videos, all I will be doing is an intro and an outro. I will not be talking in the videos, just an intro and outro. So everything else, whether it be 10 minutes long, half hour long, hour long video, it will just be relaxation sounds to help you meditate, relax, or hopefully help you sleep. So I hope you enjoy this playlist. Like I said, this video is just for the playlist. This will be up on my page of where I make videos. So if you're watching it, go over to my playlist, my relaxation playlist, and you'll see a list of videos of relaxation to help you with everyday life. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the playlist, and if you enjoy the playlist, please hit that subscribe, please hit that like, and always leave a comment on how long you want your video to be, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm making these videos for you, and plus it gets me out of the house. So we're doing it for each other. I'm doing it for you, and you're doing it for me. It gets me out of the house. So thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy this playlist of relaxation, meditation and sleep. Thank you.